Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're running an online store on Shopify, you know how crucial navigation is for a great customer experience. Today, we are going to dive into the world of main menus and footer menus. What they are, what they should include, and how to tailor them to fit your unique business needs. Menus are essential for helping customers navigate through your store's main page and collections. Each link in these menus are called menu item. Let's take a closer look. But before we dive in, a quick shout out to our sponsor today, AppMaker. AppMaker is a Shopify app that helps you create native Android and iOS applications of your Shopify store. Thanks to AppMaker for sponsoring this video. Okay, let's take a closer look. Your main menu is usually at the top or side of your webpage, and its style depends on your store's theme. Choosing the right theme is crucial, as your menu's placement and style should align with your business needs. A well-structured main menu is key for easy browsing. You might want to include items like product collections, about us, and blog pages. For stores with a wide range of products, consider categorizing them under different menu items. Then there is footer menu, located at the bottom of your store. It's perfect for linking to information about your business like FAQs, policies, and contact details. Now, let's dive into editing these menus. We'll start by adding a new item to the main menu. In your Shopify admin, head to Online Store, then Navigation. Here you can edit both the main and footer menus. Let's add athletic accessories to our main menu. After naming your item, link it to a relevant page or collection. If you are creating a menu item for drop-down purposes without a direct link, use the hash key. Once added and saved, let's see how it looks on our homepage. We can go for a preview. Yes, here we can see athletic accessories on the top. Then we came back to our menu editing section. Editing these are so easy. You can click on edit button. That's it. Editing existing items is just as easy. You can rename, reorder, or remove items to keep your menu updated. And you can add, say, I want athletic accessories under contact. I can add just like that. Then click on save menu. Yes, we have updated. Now we can go for a preview and refresh. Yes, our menu is now updated. You can see athletic accessories under contact. Next, we can also edit footer menu. Click on footer menu and add menu item. It's the same process as we have done for main menu. So we don't have to repeat the same, right? And that's it. You now know how to customize your Shopify store's main and footer menus. Remember, a well-organized menu can significantly enhance your customers' shopping experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Happy selling. Thank you so much.